If you can model assets in Blender but still struggle to finish a full scene, this course is built for you. We will take a stylized Japanese environment from first blockout to final render. Hi everyone, I'm Rosefield, the same artist behind Greek Garden, and in this course we are not just making props or practicing random tools, we are building a complete environment with a workflow you can actually reuse. We start the right way, with references, scale, composition, and a strong camera angle so the whole scene already has direction before the detailed modelling begins. From there, we block out the buildings, roads, and supporting structures, then turn those simple shapes into a detailed, stylized street using clean modelling and practical modifier workflows. You will build layered facades, tiled roofs, shutters, doors, balconies, signs, gutters, props, pipes, and wires, all with a focus on clarity, control, and making each stage feel manageable rather than overwhelming. Once the modelling is in place, we will move into UVs, stylized materials, decals, and road markings, so wood, metal, glass, paint, and all those small surface details feel cohesive across the full environment. Then we finish it properly with foliage placement, lighting, shadow shaping, rendering, and compositing, so the final image feels polished, atmospheric, and presentation ready. This course is for beginners who want a guided route into environment art, and for self-taught artists who want a cleaner, more professional process for building complete, stylized scenes in Blender. By the end, you will have a finished Japanese environment and a workflow you can carry into every scene after it. So, if you're ready to build with more structure, more clarity, and far more confidence, I will see you in the first lesson.